This great big wolfhound standing staring at me, licking his chops and weighing me up for tea. I'm a guy who don't scare easily, that's the truth. God, look at that tooth. And he's just standing, slobbering and panting, looking at me. They never had this great dog here yesterday. Her old man's bought it just to scare me away. I'll bet he's in there laughing, shouting hooray, and I'm scared to death. And puppy dog's breath is coming faster, it's gonna be disaster. I daren't run away. Her dad's got a right to object to the way I dress, I guess. But to buy a huge pup to tear me up, look, his jaws and his paws and his maws all wet. It's not sweat, it's saliva, and he'll be the sole survivor. It's pure vindictiveness. So when his great mastiff has torn me limb from limb, what'll his precious daughter think about him? I'm not very bright, but I'm certainly not that dim. You see, then her father, he will have made me a martyr, you see. And when me head's been torn to shreds, then she's gonna blame him. Sounds gory. Oh, I've turned green. Still, I might as well go in a blaze of glory, if you know what I mean. Just the same, I wish I had the courage to run. Either that, or I wish I had a dirty great gun. Well, if I really gotta die, then I better get it over and done. God, that dog's immense. Still, here I go over the fence. Go on, dog. Go on, treat me as lunch meat, savage me and crunch me. Here's me foot, have fun.
Here, what do you think you're doing?
Oh, am I glad to see you, my darling.
Don't you darling me.
Huh?
I've been watching you.
What?
You've got no feelings, have you?
But
Not content with standing there teasing him for half an hour, you have to go and leap over the fence and frighten the life out of our poor little Great Dane puppy. Come here, Tinkles, boy, Tinkles!
Cure.